Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will do some Olympiad based questions. This is a topic of mathematical reasoning. So these type of questions generally come in Olympiads. Now without any delay, let's start. The question number 1 is, in a certain code, mother, a word is given, is written as this. How will answer, another word is given, how we will write that in that code. Okay, so what we have to do? First we have to find the relationship between these two given words, mother and this, and then the same relationship we will use in this to find out our answer. So let's do. So write mother here. I am writing MOTHER, and in a certain code, how we can write it? Like this: ONHURF. Okay, and by using that same code, by using that same relationship, we have to find the answer. We have to find how we will write this word. Now for this, let's find out the relationship between these two. You can see that this letter O is same, okay, and M, after M what comes? N. So similarly we can write N same, and after A what comes? B. Next letter is B. Then H is same, fourth letter, so fourth letter will become the third letter, fourth letter will become the third letter, we will write W, and RSTU, use the next letter after T. So similarly next letter after S will be RST. Now this R, this sixth letter will become the fifth letter, similarly this sixth letter will become the fifth letter R, and after E what comes? After E what comes? F. So we will write F. So our answer will be NBWTRF. NBWTRF. We will tick on C option. This will be our correct option. Now moving on to the second question. A man is facing northwest. So this is a question of the direction. So NW stands for northwest. He turns 90 degree in the clockwise direction and then 135 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Clockwise means in the direction of the clock towards right hand side. Anti-clockwise means in the reverse direction of the clock, means towards left hand side. Okay. So which direction is he facing now? So what we have to do for this? Firstly, we will draw a rough diagram of directions and subdirections. So let's draw. I am drawing roughly east, west, north, south. Now let's draw the subdirections as well. So this will be northeast, this will be northwest, this will be southwest, and this will be southeast. Okay. Now we will do whatever will be given in the question. It is, he is facing northwest, means the man is standing here. Okay. He turns 90 degree in the clockwise direction, right hand side. 90 degree means from here till here. He will reach from northwest to northeast. This is 90 degree. Okay. Then 135 degree in anti-clockwise direction. So this is 90. Okay. Firstly, where he reached? At northeast. Now from here he will turn leftwards. He will turn anti-clockwise direction at an angle of 135 degree. Means from here, this is 45, this is 90, and this is 135. Okay, because this was 90 and this is 45. So 90 plus 45, 135. So this is the angle of 135. This means at last, finally, the man will reach at west direction. So we will take this B option. This will be our answer. Okay. So what will be the angle between east and northeast? This will always be 45. Okay. And the angle between two main direction, north and east, 90. Angle between north and west, 90. Angle between west and south, 90. Angle between south and southeast, 45. Okay, and this whole is complete angle or 360 degree angle. Now, third question. If plus means divided by, okay, minus means added to, multiplication means subtracted from, and division means multiplied by, then we have to find the value of this given. So what we will do? Firstly, we will just change the sign as it is given in the question. In place of plus, we have to put divided by. So this is plus. I am putting the symbol of division here. In place of minus, we have to put added to. So I am putting the symbol of addition in place of minus. In place of multiplication, but there is no multiplication sign. Now, next, in place of division means multiplied by. So in place of this division symbol, we will put the symbol of multiplication. Now let's rewrite this equation. 24 multiplied by 12 plus 18 divided by 9. Now, as per DMAS, what we will do first? Division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. There is no bracket, otherwise firstly we will solve the brackets. Now, first we will do division. What we will get? 2. I am writing 2 directly. The symbol of plus. Now 24 multiplied by 12. 12 4 ja 48. We will write 8. 4 we will carry. 12 2 ja 24. 24 plus 4. 28. Okay. So lastly we will add 288 plus 2. We will get 290. This means our answer will be 290. In this type of question, what you have to do? You have to just change the sign as per the given instructions in the question. Okay, that's all. And then you have to just solve accordingly by using the rules. Now, the next is what comes next. This is a very simple given. 3, 6, 4, 8. 6, 12, 10, 20. So you can see doubling is getting on. Numbers are getting twice. But we have to find this number. So we have to check the another relation. What's going on? 3 2s are 6. We are multiplying by 2. Then 6 minus 2. Then minus 2. Again let's check. 4 2s are 8. Yes, again multiplied by 2. Then minus 2. We are getting 6. Again multiplied by 2. 12. Then minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. Again multiplied by 2. And then minus 2. So what we will get? 18. Our answer will be 18, the first option. Okay. Now the next is, if following 4 words arranged in dictionary order, which word comes third from the beginning? Okay. So 4 words are given: crimson, crepe, cringe, and cricket. And what we have to do? We have to just check as per the dictionary order which word will come third from the beginning. So first, let's check the first letter of all 4. It is C, 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 C. Then second letter R, 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 R. Third letter I. This means in all the 4 words, these 3 letters are same. Let's underline this. After this, you can see that the letters are different. So let's circle M, then circle B, then circle N, then circle C. Now, what we have to do next? Now, as per the alphabet series, our letter B will come at first because A is not here. So B, this means this number will come at first as per the dictionary order, B. Then C, second. Then D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. So this word will come at third. M, N. This word will come at fourth. Now, what is the question? Which word comes third from the beginning? So, our answer will be this A option, crimson. Okay. So, I hope you understood these questions. So, subscribe to my channel for these type of some more questions, for these type of videos. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Thanks for watching.